Hello, guys. Welcome to our evening live trading session. Okay, so this is the session where we, communicate. Let me put it that way. This is where I show you everything, the analysis we make in the afternoon session. This is the session where I show you everything that happens. All right. So I promised you guys that I was going to explain what happened on the XAUUSD. If you are just joining us for the first time, don't worry. Um, Everything will be restarted. Okay, so I'll be talking about how you can start trading the forex market profitably. Okay, I'll be helping you through your journey, your forex trading journey. But as for now, let me show uh, my guys how we were able to place this trade in the afternoon session. All right, just a second, just a second, just a second. Okay, so let me zoom out on this and show you what is going on here. All right, so I hope you guys were profitable. Okay, so even though the profit wasn't that much, but at least we were able to close. I closed mine on profit, in profit, so I hope you close just in profit also. All right, and see what I said in the afternoon. I said the market, the data is showing that we have um, a strong move for the USD. Okay, so anytime we have something like that, this is how you can actually read your um, news. Okay, so I'll give you an expo how you can go to your fundamental news and be able to read them. Okay, so the news is not, so it's not like this. Okay, it's not a chart. It's not a chart where you make analysis, where you plot support or resistance. Okay, so you must be able to tell what the market, what the news is telling you. Okay, you must be able to interpret what the news is telling you. So whenever we have a data, let's take for example the CPI that happened today. So when we have a data, the things you should be looking at, okay, the things you should be looking at is the previous data. All right, you want to be looking at the previous data, what happened previously. Okay, and then we have what we call forecast also. Okay, so those people that are collecting the data, they will actually make a forecast that this is the kind of result they are expecting. Okay, so it's just like, let's say you are a marketer. Okay, so you are trying to sell your product, then you have that data that, okay, let me see what I was able to make this month. Okay, let me calculate it from last month to this month, let me see what I've made. So maybe last month you were able to make 3,000. Okay, let's say $1,000. All right, and then this month your forecast is, I'm hoping to make, at least when I made $1,000 last month, I should be able to make up to 1,500. You understand? And then your forecast is 1,500, but luckily you made 2,000. You understand? So that means you make more gain. All right, that means you'll be happy with the data you got, because now you are on the strong side that, yeah, what I'm doing, I'm doing the right thing. Yeah, so that is just how the news also work. All right, the fundamental news, that is how it works. So today he was showing that the USD, the data shown was suggesting that the USD was on the strong side. All right. So most of the time, when you have something like that, it's not even most of the time. When you have a data as such, where the USD is taking over. So let me just do this. Let me do this. I want to show you guys something. All right. I want to show you. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry about the little interruption there. So like I was saying, this is how to read the news. Okay, so this is how to read the news. Now, what you want is you want to know the data. Okay, what is going on in the US? Okay, is the USD weak or is it strong? Okay, so if you have it strong, that means you are expecting your USD to go up. If you have it weak, that means you are expecting your USD to go down. All right. Now, when in any forex market, the first, remember what I said about two pairs. The first currency is the base, while the second is the quote. All right. So whatever you are doing here, it is this one. Okay. You are selling this to buy this. All right. If you are buying this, it means you want to, if you are selling this, that means you are buying this. So if you are buying this, that means you are selling this. That's just it. Okay. That is what is going on in the forex market. That's what you are doing. All right. So take for example, today I said sell. Okay. I told everybody to sell XAUUSD. Okay. The reason why I said so is because when the US dollar data showed us that the USD was going to be very very strong, was stronger. That means the XAU, that is the gold, was going to be weaker. So we are selling gold because the USD is strong. All right. I don't know if this is making sense. So any pair that is associated with the USD, if we have a strong USD, if the USD is in the front, okay, if the USD here, okay, like take for example USDCAD, the USD is the first pair, okay, so here the USD is the base. You see here the USD is the quote, yeah. So here the USD is the base. Now that the USD is the base here, if you check your USDCAD, the market bought, okay, because this is the currency we are actually trading against this, okay. So whenever you see anybody saying, the USD is very strong, the data collected from the news, this and that, yeah, it shows that the USD is very strong. Just go to any of your peer. If your USD is the second, then the market is going to come down. If the USD is the first, then the market is going to go up. Okay. So, and that was what happened today. That was what happened here. Let me show you the live chat. So that was what happened here. You see, the market immediately the data was shown. The market actually, came to this level, and then dropped down immediately. Okay, dropped down to this level. Okay, dropped down to this level. Okay, it dropped down to this level immediately. Okay, but what I did was I knew that the market was coming here. So if you were on the afternoon session, you remember this is exactly how I drew it. Okay, it hasn't changed. Okay, nothing changed. So this was exactly how it was in the afternoon, right? This was exactly how it was in the afternoon. So what I did here was that I already knew that this market was going to fall. Okay, it was going to fall to the downside because the data collected is suggesting that the XAUUSD is going to sell. Okay, we already know that it's going to sell. So many traders started selling. In fact, I was selling also because I don't know if the market was actually coming back to this extent to take this. Okay, I wasn't sure, but I know that the market was going to sell. So immediately I was having this hang around this area. I was having this movement. Okay, the market was a bit rough, trying to go up and down. Okay, so there wasn't a smooth movement in the market. That was how I actually drew this out, and then I knew that there was a liquidity around this area because a lot of people had started selling. I knew the market was going to take them out. Okay, it was going to liquidate their account, take their stop loss out before it continues to go down. So that was what I did here. Okay, so that was what I did here. That was what I did here. Remember, I said let's set a sell limit around this area. Guys, if you're on this market right now, please take profit. You already made a lot of profit. I called this market on our afternoon live stream. Okay, I said sell XAU USD. Remember, yeah, I said let's set sell limit. We set sell limit here, and look at where the market is right now. So if you are still on this market, you are already in massive profit, guys. Go and close your profit. Go and take profit. Okay, you are already in massive profit. Trust me. Even with 0.01, if I'm to guess right now, you are making nothing less than $6 to $8. I'm telling you. So go and take profit. Okay, go and take profit. Tomorrow is another day. We continue tomorrow. All right. So right now, let's go into the important things. The other important. This one is also important, but let's go into the other important things that we need to do for today. All right. So this is how to make your analysis. I already told you how to make analysis, how to draw support and resistance and trend line. All right. So today I think we should just continue with our making of analysis. If you have any question, you can ask me anytime. All right. So it doesn't matter what I'm doing. If you have any question at any point, just make sure to ask. So I'll just go back and make a fresh explanation. And for you that was asking me yesterday about risk management and all, I hope you understand what risk management is now. Because today I was actually scared of giving this trade out to the newbies. Okay, because I know a lot of people, lot of us, a lot of people among us, we have little amount of money on our trading account. Okay, we are short of, you know, maybe we are not having more than $10, $15, $20. So I don't want such people to lose their money. All right. So that was why I actually told them that, let's wait for the market to get to this point. I think we actually took an entry from here. The market came down. All right. So we took some profit. Yeah. I just remembered now. We opened two positions on this trade today. Okay. We took two opportunities on the XAU in the afternoon. We took two actually. Let me just remove this from here so that you can see the market clearly. So when this was here, when this market was around this area, I said sell. Okay. So we scalped it to this area. Yeah, I opened multiple positions and I took profit. All right. So I'm sure you took profit also. You made some, few amount of dollars. And then the second trade, I said what I was going to leave a sell limit around this area. I did, and immediately the market get to that side, it started selling instantly. Okay, it's a sniper entry for us guys. It was a sniper entry for us. So immediately the market touched here, the market started selling instantly. So, and I told my VIP members also, we entered early in the VIP actually. So they also took profit when the market was around this area. I told them to start taking their profit. And I already gave them another profitable trade. That is the BTC USDT. Guys, I keep telling you, come and join my premium membership. I'm not even asking you to pay for that. Okay. I'm not asking you to pay for it. All you have to do is just fund your account with at least $15. Let me show you the profit we made. Let me show you. Let me just quickly show you the profit we made so that maybe that will ginger you. All right. Maybe that will ginger you. Yeah, it's not much, but at all, guys, it's not much, but accumulation is the idea. Okay. The idea is to accumulate as much as possible before the week runs out. All right. So look at this. These are the trades I took. Okay. I opened a position early on the XAU. That's why I have, small balance. It's supposed to be more than this. But that one is on the other account also. So, but what I want to show you the most is look at this. This is the second trade we took around this evening. Look at this. We took this. So we took this. We took this around. This is 1843. Okay, 1807 actually, and then we closed around 1843. So You see, this is the scope. You see, right now this is $1. This is another $1. One, two, one. Okay, so if you calculate everything here, this is more than $5. Okay, this is, you know how much dollar is right now. So this is more than $5. Guys, come and join my premium membership. Hey, that place they hot. Seriously, I'm telling you, that place they hot. So come and join and start making money for yourself. Um, so let me just take this out. Oh, don't worry. I see your question. I'm going to answer them. Okay. I am seeing your questions. I'm going to answer them. I just want to make sure that, I'm showing you the things that you need to see. Those are the things you need to see. You need to make money. Okay. So, somebody is asking me, does trading on the wrong time frame causes loss? Okay. And then I deposited money 2 days ago. How can I start trading? That's good. All right. So first question first. Does trading on the wrong time frame causes loss? Actually, there's no wrong time frame. All right. There's no wrong time frame, my friend. The thing you need is you need to make analysis. All right. Most of the trade I took today, I took on the lower time frame. I was actually checking my lower time frame, even though I made my analysis on the higher time frame. The most important thing is to get the overall direction of your market. Okay, you need to know if the market is going to go down or if the market is going to go up. The only thing I can tell you is if you are on the higher time frame, your stop loss will be wider. All right, your stop loss will be wider. So this is the 1 hour time frame right now. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the 1 hour time frame right now, and look where our stop loss is. See, this is our stop loss. This is our stop loss. You can't compare this to the lower time frame. All right. So if I'm risking maybe $10 here right now, I'm risking $10 here, and then I'm eyeing to make maybe $20, $25 here. This is wide. Okay, this stop loss is wide compared to if I come to the 5 minute time frame. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame and see how wide this is. Okay, let's go to the 5 minute time frame. You see, look at this. This is the 5 minute time frame. So look at the stop loss. It seems very wide here, isn't it? Okay. So if I'm to trade on the 5 minute time frame, I want something that is very small. Yeah. I want something that is very small. Yeah. So this is how I want it on the lower time frame. Okay. So my stop loss will be much more smaller. So what is happening to you is you need to know how to make analysis. It's not the time frame that is affecting you, my friend. All right, it's not the time frame. There's no wrong time frame in forex market. There's only wrong analysis. All right. So it doesn't matter if you are trading on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, daily, 1 hour, 4 hour. It doesn't matter. All right. We have people that trade on the 1 minute and they are successful. We have people trading on the 5 minute and they are successful. So the trade I left for my premium member this evening was actually I took the entry on the 15-minute time frame. There's no time frame that I don't take my trade from. Okay, it just depends on where I'm seeing the market at that time. Okay, so what you need is analysis. Okay, you need to work on analysis and how to actually get a profitable trade. All right. So I hope I answered your question. If you have any more question, please feel free to ask me. And then I see another friend of mine is saying I deposited money 2 days ago. How can I start trading? That is very good. That is very good. See, that is exactly what we do here on this live session. All right. So, but today, since I just want to make explanation of what happened in the afternoon session, don't worry. I'm still going to make sure that you have something to start up with. All right. So, first of all, let me ask you. I hope you deposited on this live stream, because if you made the deposit on this live stream, I would add you to my premium membership. All right. But if you didn't, guy, that means you are losing out. Okay, that means you are missing out. I'll show you how you can start trading right now. But if you really want to make good profit the way I make profit, make sure to fund your account on this live stream. Okay, if you want to fund right now, go to the chat room, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Click on that banner and it will take you straight to where you can make your deposit. All right. So if you join my premium membership, you get free signals and you can start making money instantly. All right, guys, I already show you the profit I made today just from 2 signals alone, and I'm still going to drop one. Okay, I promised them that I was going to be giving them three per day, and for the whole of this week, man, we'll be making good profit. So come and join us. Okay, come and join us and make good profit also. So you can start trading. You can start. Let me just show you some few things that you need. This, let me just show you. See, we call this analysis. All right, this is what we call analysis, and this is the things you need to know before you can actually start opening positions by yourself. Okay, unless I am the one giving you the signal. Okay, so if you made deposit in the just as I've said, if you made deposit using the on this live stream, I will add you to my premium membership. That place you don't even need to know all of those things. Okay, you don't need to know those things. You don't need to be an analyst. You don't need to know how to make analysis. You can just be there. Just make sure every month you are funding your account. Every week you are funding your account. Okay, so when you fund your account, you are there. You just be placing trade with us. It's very easy. I'm not even asking you to pay for it. Okay, most mentors will tell you, go and bring $50, go and bring $100 before I can, add you, because you can start to make money. On this platform, on this live stream, I'm telling you right now, I'm not taking shishi from you. All right, all you have to do is just fund your account. Let me see the seriousness in you. And if you want to fund, if you want me to know that you fund, it has to be on this live stream. If you're not funding your account on this live stream, see, don't come and meet me and say I have money in my account. Oh. I'm not going to answer you. So if you want me to see that seriousness in you, you encourage. See, I'm encouraging you now. You need to encourage me too. Okay, and the only way you can encourage me is if you fund the account on this live stream. So if you fund your account using that banner in the chat room right now, I'll add you to my premium membership. You'll be there, and I'll be giving you free signals every day that you can start making money with. Okay, and if you want to fund your account right now, just go to the chat room, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Okay, it's on top of the chat room. Just click on it. It will take you to where you can make your deposit. Make a deposit of at least $15, and then I'll get you into my premium group. All right. So, but if you don't want to do that and you want to go through the hard way yourself, there's no problem. That's what I do here every day. I teach you how to you can start making analysis. But let me tell you the truth, it's not easy. You understand? This is gonna take some times before you actually know how to do this. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time before you actually know how to go around this. All right. This guys. This thing will be being so. This wasn't learned in a day, in a month, even in a year. All right. It takes hard work. It takes learning. Okay. It takes time. So that is why I have made it easier, that you don't need to know all of these things because before you can start making money. You can, focus, trying to get more knowledge, look for PDF, come to live sessions, okay, like the one we are doing right now. Come to this live session, learn, okay, and when you are learning, your account is there growing, you are making dollars. All right. So by tomorrow, by God grace, I'll be restarting the training for you guys, so that for those of us that are just joining us, you'll be able to start trading the forex market. But for today, I'm just going to show you the little things that you need. Okay, so I'm going to do this because of the question that you asked: how can you start trading? All right. First of all, I'm going to show you. I'm going to introduce you to the BtcDana trading application. If you don't know how to open positions there, I'll show you how you can start opening positions there. Okay, but don't just go there and start opening positions. So don't just go there and start placing orders. You need to know how to make analysis. All right. So tomorrow I'll be starting the whole forex tutorial from the beginning. All right. But for today, let's go to the app and let me show you how you can start trading on the app. All right. So let me just switch back to my demo account, and let me show you what's going on there. Okay, so this is my demo account right now. This is my demo account. So for you that is asking me how you can start trading, this is how you can start trading on the app. All right. So all you have to do is, first thing, you need the knowledge. All right. You need the knowledge. You need to know how what is going on in the market. All right. You don't just jump into the forex market and start trading anyhow. Okay. You want to know how to make analysis, and I'm going to restart that tomorrow. So you are lucky since you asked me this question, and I want to restart because of you. So please make sure you are always attending the evening session. The afternoon session is for money making. Okay, come to the afternoon session, make money in the evening. Come and learn. All right. So first thing you want to do is, since you already have your account, that means you are not using your demo. Okay, I will not even advise you to use demo. Okay, if you are learning, yeah, use demo for learning, but make sure you fund the account so that you know you are learning and you will also be making money. So first thing first, this is the market. Okay, this is the home page. This is the home, and then this is the market. I hope you are paying attention. So this is the market. Here, these are the instruments, the pairs that BtcDana offers. All right. So they have the popular instrument. Those are the popular instrument. What is popular mean is those are the most popular instrument that all the customers, all the BtcDana customers trade on. Okay. So you might want to choose from those popular ones, right? Or you can just search for anyone you want to trade on. Okay, you can come to Forex. Those are the Forex pairs. Those are currencies. Okay, those are just currencies of different countries paired together. All right, this is Euro, United States dollar, United States dollar, Japanese yen, Great British Pound against United States dollars, Australian dollar against United States dollars, okay, British Pound against Japanese yen, so and so on and so forth. All right, and then they have the crypto assets also. They have the crypto instruments. All right, so you can pick from anyone you want. They have so many of them. They have so many of them. Other USDT, Doji, United States Theta, USDT. Okay, so they have so many instruments that you can choose from. Then they have the metals also. Okay, this is the gold, the silver, and then they have indices. Okay, Nasdaq, crude oil, US 30, US 5, and whatever you want to choose from, whichever one you want to trade. Okay, then they have the stock also. So let me go back to the popular. You can choose. Let me just choose from the popular. Okay, I love trading from here because I don't have the time of going to search and searching everywhere. So I just love to make analysis on the popular ones that are here. I love trading the gold, most especially because it's very volatile. Okay, it's just one move and you make money already. So let's say we want to trade gold. Okay, you just click on it, and then so if your analysis is telling you to buy, you come here, you click on buy. Okay. If your analysis is telling you, what I mean by analysis is you want to read your chart. Okay. You want to know what is going on. You want to know if the market will start going up or coming down. All right. So if your guess or if your prediction is that the market is going to go up, you want to buy. If your prediction is that this market is going to come down, you want to sell. All right. And then when you click on buy, you see it's going to bring out, you see, position. And then we have something we call volume. Okay. So it can be called volume or lot size. Okay. So that is the amount you want to risk. Okay. That is the amount you are risking. It's just like when you want to buy one bag of rice. Okay. So, or no, let me not use rice. Let me use something smaller so that it will be easy to understood. So let's say you want to buy a pen. Okay, if you buy one, maybe one pen is sold for 10 naira. Okay, so this is 10 naira. If you are buying this is, look at this is 0.01. Okay, that is just one. All right, 0.02 means two. Yeah, so now we have 0.1. That is 10 times of 0.01, isn't it? So 10 times of it means here you were buying just one pen. So if you click on this, that means you want to buy 10 pen. You understand? So if this is 10 naira, just calculate how much you are going to spend for 10 pence. All right, that is 100 naira. Yeah. So just know that whatever you are doing here, is the amount of risk you are willing to take. Okay, so that is why I love sticking to the 0.01, because um, it calms me down. All right, it don't get me pressurized. So if I use 0.01, if you are having small account also below $50, I will also advise you to use 0.01 like I do. Okay. And then you want to set your stop loss and your TP. So what stop loss and TP mean is that, let me explain it here. So look at this market right now. This is the XAU USD. So take for example, you are predicting that this market is going to go down. Okay. So red candle means down, green candle means up. Yeah. So let's say you are saying this market is going to go down, and then you want to set, let's assume that this is where you want the market to go to get to. So you are predicting that this market will go down to this level. Okay, in the forex market, there are always two levels. Okay, there's the losing level and there's the winning level. Okay, the profit level and the losing level. So this is the profit level now. You are saying, this market is going to go from here to this area. Okay, so this number here is what you want to set on your TP. Okay, you want to copy this down, come to your TP. Since you are selling, come to your TP, click here, and then set that number here. You see TP, enter it here. All right, so when the market moves down to that area, it will give you your profit. That means you are giving the market a command that when you get to this point, oh yeah, give me profit. I don't want to do anymore. I know they trade anymore. Oh yeah, give me the money where you don't make for me. You understand? And then the same thing goes for the stop loss. All right. So when you are setting a stop loss, it's as if you are telling the market that, I want to sell low, but maybe the market reverse. Okay, so instead of you are predicting that the market is going to sell, and then the market is buying, that means you are losing. Yeah. So you can maybe specify that, maybe this is where you are targeting that even if the market is going to lose, when the market gets to this point, please give me the losses. Okay, give me my loss and close my trade. I don't want to lose anymore. I'm not interested again. So I'll look for another opportunity and trade. All right. So that is your stop loss. And then what all you have to do is just copy the number around this area. Okay, and just go to sell again. Since you are predicting a sell, so go back there and then click here. You have to write the both of them down. Okay, so when you write the both of them down, then you enter it perfectly here. Okay, the way it should be. Enter the numbers on the TP and enter the numbers on the stop loss. So once you are done with that, just click on your sell. Everything will be set for you. Okay, and your market will start running. All right, that is how to trade on the BtcDana trading application. And then you can check your positions here. Okay, you see trading. Click on it. You see, this is a market. This was the market I used to I think we were making analysis on this yesterday, and I show you how you can actually open the positions, how you can open positions. All right. So this is just a demo account. Okay, this is a demo account. These are demo account. This is for learning. All right. So guys, I hope you understand how to start trading on the BTC Dana trading application now. Yeah. But the beautiful part is you can make another deposit. Okay, you can make a deposit of $15 on this live stream. Okay, even though you can't do it this night, this evening, you can do it tomorrow afternoon. Okay, so we have another session tomorrow uh, around 2 p.m. Our normal analysis and taking trade session. Okay, 2 p.m. So you can take that, you can fund your account with at least $15. Okay, so that way you don't need to go through the trouble of how am I going to know if this market will go down or go up. Okay, so once you deposit up to $15, I'll get you into my premium group. All right, so when you are on the premium group, I'll tell you when to buy and when to sell. All right, So all you have to do is just pay attention to the group. When you see a sell, you sell. When you see a buy, you buy. It's just as easy as that. Okay, I'll give you the take profit. I'll give you the TP. Okay, so and if you want to fund right now, if you have your money with you and you want to fund right now, just go to the chat room, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Okay, so click on it and it will take you straight to where you can make your deposit. So when you fund, let me know you have fund your account. Okay, let me know. So I'll just add you to the premium group. When you are on the premium group, you make money without stress. You don't need to go through the trouble of analyzing the market yourself. I will be the one doing that. All right. So guys, what else? What else should we look into? Okay, so I remember I said we were going to take trade on this evening session, yeah? So let's see what is going on in the market. Let's see what is going on in the market. So right now we still have let's peep into the market and see what is going on, okay? Wow. Ethereum seems um as if it wants to start selling. Let me make a fresh analysis and see if it's going to sell. We just sold BTC on our premium group. Okay, we sold BTC on our premium group. So let me see if this is going to sell. Then we can take opportunities. Okay, we can open positions. So I already predicted since on Monday that this market was going to sell. So immediately it was touching here. Look at this. The market was coming down. So this market is going to continue to sell. Okay, it's going to sell. But right now, let's not take this trade. Okay, let's not take something like this. I'm not getting a confirmation from here. This is the 1 hour time frame. If I want to take this trade right now, my stop loss will be too wide. Okay, I love trading with a small stop loss. This is where my stop loss will be, and my take profit will be very little because I have this around here. I don't want my market to start roaming about around this area. I love taking my profit instantly. So my profit will be at least this. Okay. So, and I know most of us here, we have little balance. Okay. We have just little on our account. I don't want us to start taking trade that is going to take forever to start playing out. All right. I don't want us to do that. So let's just leave this kind of market. Let's see before the end of our session, if we are able to get something reasonable, we would actually go into placing trades. Okay. So I give this to my premium members and they already profit from it. I gave that to them and they already made profit from that. Okay. Oh, I missed this entry. I missed. Oh, it didn't get triggered. It didn't trigger. The entry didn't trigger, but I was actually waiting for this market to get trigger and I was gonna give it to my premium members. Okay, I want them to scalp it to this level. This market will continue to go up, or it will make a retest around here, around this area. Okay, so I was actually waiting for this to come back here, trigger, and then I was going to call a sell trade for them when it gets here. Okay, but unfortunately, He didn't touch our entry. So this is no more valid. This is an invalid trade for now. I'll look into that later and see if my premium members can actually get a proper entry. Well, I did those analyses few days back, and it's still playing out up until now. Okay, I did this analysis last week. I don't know how I deleted this. Okay, but I actually drew my um, I drew this here. I drew this here because the market was already going up. Okay, this market was already on the uptrend movement. So I saw this, and then I saw this. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go on with our class, right? So, so let's go on with our class. You see what I was talking about? This is the Euro USD. Okay, see how the market came down from this area. You see, it came down so much because um, the USD was the second pair. Okay, it was the quote currency. So the market was around here when the news came out. It came up, and then look at what happened. It came down massively. Okay, it came down massively. So that is what happens. That is how the way I've explained it earlier. Okay, that is how you can read your market and get a proper entry after a news had happened. I'm just trying to see if we can get an entry here. Okay. If I'm to take this trade right now, my entry will be around this area. My stop loss will be here, and then my take profit will be here. Okay, I think this is a good risk to reward trade. All right, I think this is a good risk to reward trade. This is a good risk to reward trade, but I don't want us to set a buy limit. Um, Most of the times, I love, my market getting triggered. Okay, I love staying with my market for it to get trigger. So I'm not going to ask us to, set a sell limit order, because most of the time the market will just come, it will not touch, and it will start going. Or sometimes, since we have all this news here, I want to make sure that uh, I want to make sure that I see what is going on around here before we take an entry. All right. So sorry guys, I'm not going to call out this trade. At least not for now. I'm not going to call out this trade. So let's look for another trade. Let's look for another trade. Let's look for another trade. Let's look for a trade that wasn't affected, um, that the USD didn't affect. All right. Let me make a fresh analysis on AUDCAD. Okay. Let's make fresh analysis on the AUDCAD. Remember what I said about getting an overall trend of your direction? Remember I said it is very important that you get your overall trend. Okay, you want to know where the market is going. So as of now, our market is on downtrend. You see, we keep breaking a low. Okay, we broke this low to this side. Let me just draw that out for us to see better. So as far as you have, no matter how small break it is, even if it is just uh, 2 3 breaks on the higher time frame, that means that is the direction you should be focusing on. Okay, doesn't mean that you can't scalp on the lower time frame, but at least it will tell you if you should stay long in the market or not. All right. So you see. So now I have this break to this downside, I have this break to this downside, and then I had this. So now I know that the market is going down. So I'm expecting another break to this side. Okay, I'm expecting a break of this also. So what I want to do right now is let me go to my lower time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame currently. Let me go to the let me go to the 1-hour time frame and see what is going on there. So now, since I have this, since I had this, since I had this, we didn't get this from the initial stage. Okay, if not, we could have scalped this on the lower time frame. Yeah, could have scalped this on the lower time frame. It didn't break that. It didn't break that. You see, this is one of the things I love about my strategy. It doesn't matter if I'm trading on the higher time frame or not. Most of the times, I will be trading even on the lower time frame, and I'm still seeing a clear opportunity. Okay, so what I love to do is I want my market to, show me something like this. Okay, I want it to give me, I want it to give me something on the higher time frame that is, giving me that confidence that this market is going to continue to the downside. Then I use my strategy on that, on the direction of the market. So right now on the higher time frame, the 30-minute time frame is suggesting that this market is going to go down a little bit because anytime the market comes to touch our trend line, it's always going down. Okay, it always goes down. So I can actually guess that this market could come here or here. Okay, no matter how small it is, the market can come to this area. All right. So I love scalping this way. I will just go to my 1 minute time frame. I have this liquidity sitting around here. So I'll just go to my 1 minute time frame and make sure that I find something like this. Something like this. Okay. A small POI. And then I wait for this market to come back into it. All right. I target here. You see, this is how to make analysis, guys. This is how to make analysis. Just make sure that you are not making a wrong analysis. Okay, any small wrong analysis is going to liquidate your account. Even though it doesn't liquidate it, you are going to lose money. Okay, so this is how I make my analysis, and this is for the scalping strategy. This is my scalping strategy. But for the, you know, uh, for the long trade, that's the intraday trading. I love to wait for my higher time frame support and demand. All right. Let me just delete those. So right now we already got the scope that the market is going to continue to the downside. All right. But right now the market is still inside a zone. Okay. So it's reacting to a zone right now. It's reacting to this trend line here. It's reacting on this trend line. Right? It's reacting to this trend line and this zone right here, right now. But the market is going to make a major retest on the higher time frame. Okay, there's no major retest yet because the market will continue to go down. The one I did just now was just a scalping. Okay, it was just a scalping, but the market will come to levels like this. Okay, we have gaps here, so it will come to levels like this, come to retest this. It will come back to retest this before it continues to go down. All right. So this is what the market is going to do. This is what the market is going to do because on the higher time frame, we are having a downtrend. Okay, the market is going to continue to go down. All right. So let's look for another market. Guys, we have just 3 minutes to end this session. If you have any question you want to ask me, please feel free to do so now. All right. Feel free to do so. If you have any question, hesitations, okay, feel free to you ask me. We are here to learn, isn't it? So you have any question at all, free to ask, right? So this is another market, downtrend market. Actually, you see this break, we have this break, have this break, we got this break, and then the market came up, broke this, and then made a major retest around this area. Okay. Okay, sorry. That was the 1 hour time frame I was looking at the market from. The market already changed direction on the higher time frame. That is the 4 hour time frame. So we have this move. In fact, if you don't know where the market is heading to, you can just draw your trend line. Okay. So most of the times when I want to get the overall trend, I just draw my trend line to know where the market is actually heading to. All right. So now I know that this market is going uptrend. Until I get a break of the trend line, I'm not going to trade otherwise. Okay. So guys, I think we should end this um, end today's evening session now. Okay, we should end it for here today, and then we will continue tomorrow. I'm sure you've learned one or two from this session today. Make sure to fund your account so that tomorrow afternoon you can open positions with us. All right. So guys, please make sure when you are funding your account, make sure you are funding on this live stream, and make sure you are funding up to $15 so that you'll be qualified to join my premium group. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed evening. Bye for now.